Welcome back. And we are at the Pegasus Hotel on the occasion of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's 20th Regional Capital Markets Conference. And I have a very special guest with me. He's Mr. Dave Dixon, Senior Vice President of Sales and Services at Barita Investments Limited, one of the fastest growing financial conglomerates on the island. Dave.
How are you doing, sir? Thank you for having me.
Barita Investments.
Yes.
Talk to me about your participation at this year's conference. How is it different from the other years?
Well, this year is a special year, 20 years. Barita, we are thrilled to be a part of this, milestone, especially on, the celebration of Marlene's contribution over the years. As someone who has been in the industry from the inception of the conference, would have seen that it has grown leaps and bounds. And what better way than to have Barita that is vibrant, young, very edgy, coming along the stream and saying, yes, we have to be a part of this exciting occasion, because we do feel that we have, the expertise in-house to share insights. We have the team members who, can interact with the audience and provide very good financial services to those participants who are looking for funding and other connections.
Yeah, talk about providing that kind of advice. Your boss Ramon was here yesterday.
Yes, very.
Gave a profound presentation.
Yeah, we expect nothing less from him. Ramon is definitely someone who is taking us into the future, and we enjoy working with him. And so we know he would have added some value to the panel.
2025, though, as you say, you've been there from the inception and stuff. 2025. In Jamaica, in the financial sector, looks totally different from some years ago. What are you seeing in 2025?
There are a lot of opportunities. For clients to, really look at what it is that they have in their portfolio of investments, make adjustments, because the environment last year is not the same environment this year. There's more optimism about the market. As to the level of increase, that will depend on what your preference is. But we see a lot of opportunities. Our research team actively working on, what this means for varying companies that are listed. And outside of companies that are listed, what are some of the other fixed income opportunities that lie within the market, especially for companies that are looking to raise capital on the open market.
It's interesting that you went there, because a lot of times when we talk to stockbrokers, investment advisors, you get the feel about, what stocks to buy and what the investor is looking for. But you're also talking about companies and what they should be looking for.
Right.
Can you expound on that?
Well, businesses want to expand. They want to raise capital as well. They want to take advantage of the reverse trend in interest rate. And as a result, they may very well benefit from speaking with our investment banking team and sharing financing ideas that will fit their business model and allow them to achieve their expansion goals, which augurs well for the general economy. So there are definitely opportunities.
Today, we celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Almadoka.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. After 20 years, they're still in the 20% that is successful. Don't see problem, rather as a solution. Give Almando and his team a big round of applause. Let us work towards another 20 years.
You're looking to take your business to the next step. Look no further than Next Step Digital Solutions. Our team of experts is here to help you grow your online presence and get noticed. We offer a wide range of services, including web design, social media marketing, branding, and SEO. Let us help you reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Visit trynextstep.com to learn more and contact us today to get started.
Give the perfect gift to your friends in human resource management. Empower them with the book, The Influential HR. This impactful book teaches mastering influence, earning respect, and securing a seat at the decision-making table. Available now at Stationery World and Book Center and online at Amazon.com. Don't delay, order today.
Me grew up and see my granny save her money under her mattress.
Exactly. Your grandmother's house never burned down?
No, how you reach that, so? That was a one-off thing.
That could have happened to anybody. That's why you must put your money in a financial institution and protect it.
What if the bank crash?
Well, that's where JDIC comes in.
What you mean?
JDIC is a financial safety net which provides coverage for your money in case your financial institution fails.
Explain that to me.
Alright, because of the JDIC deposit insurance scheme, once you put your money into a financial institution like a bank or building society, you can get coverage of up to a maximum of $1.2 million per deposit of your financial institution if it should fail. And for even more information, you can visit their new website at www.jdic.org, and you can follow the social media platforms for the latest information.
JDIC, protecting deposits for you and me.
All around.
Talking about that, we saw a lot of bond raises last year and the year before. Are we likely to see that vehicle continue to be used to generate capital for businesses, or is there likely to be a pivot at some point where we go more to equities?
We definitely will see more fixed income raises. I believe the market has gotten, quite familiar with the varying types of options, and I do believe that there has been varying success in that regard, and we definitely see it as one avenue given the fact that interest rates may be trending down. Smaller investors may find this as a good time to lock in longer term rates. Those who are refinancing may find more attractive rates. So definitely, I think that it's going to be a very vibrant space. Notwithstanding though, there are equities that definitely will do well, and one has to just conduct your research, speak with a licensed financial advisor, especially at Barita, and you'll be guided accordingly.
When I spoke with Dr. Street Forest, she did indicate that though it was a small, gain, the main market actually came out positive this year, I think, as did the US dollar market. Is that something that investors should be paying attention to?
They should.
The fact that there are undervalued stocks.
They should.
Potential.
And, one of the things that we want to encourage your listeners to do is pay attention to the research. Pay attention to the research. If you look at the stocks that are on the market that are doing well, if you take it back a year, 18 months, the companies were doing well, and they would have been reported as being undervalued, right? A number of them, and we would have seen the performance shift in a short space of time. However, but if you look back as to the buying signals would have been there from before. Now could also be a time for you to review to see, am I in a position to take some gains and reallocate my portfolio? So it is always important to have a close relationship with your investment advisor, where you can use the data that is available to make an informed decision. If you look right throughout the market, despite not everything is going to perform the same way and the same cycle, however, there is an opportunity there, and important to invest in is making it continuously do it. Don't wait on the perfect moment or the perfect security. Invest. And once you invest, there are instruments that would allow you to see your funds grow and opportunities. Not everything will pan out the same way because markets change. That's why it's important to review your portfolio from time to time and make adjustments.
Today, we celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Almadoka.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. After 20 years, They're still in the 20% that is successful. Don't see problem, rather, it's a solution. Give Armando and his team a big round of applause. Let us work towards another 20 years.
You're looking to take your business to the next step. Look no further than Next Step Digital Solutions. Our team of experts is here to help you grow your online presence and get noticed. We offer a wide range of services, including web design, social media marketing, branding, and SEO. Let us help you reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Visit trynextstep.com to learn more and contact us today to get started.
Barita plays a lot in the real estate space. Talk to me about that side.
Yes.
You know, what we should be looking for.
Well, definitely we have a very attractive real estate portfolio. And real estate in Jamaica is always going to be a space that, persons are of the view, there's a very positive outlook towards real estate in Jamaica. And as long as you make the right selection, everything requires sound advice and guidance. We see that as a major part of growth in the future because there's so much to do. There's so much further development to take place for the country to grow and achieve its future objectives. So where else can it happen? But, definitely in the real estate market.
I'm going to put you on the spot a little bit because the investors always ask the question. What should I buy?
So what should you buy? I say you should invest. We can make a selection based on your preference, right? There's no one silver bullet in investing. There's always something to invest in. We at Barita like to sit with you, take you through the process of tailoring exactly what is more suitable for you. And that way, we can both be on the same page as to the expectation. What is good for you may not be good for me. I may not have the tolerance for it. Some investments require certain minimums, some have a lower minimum, some have a higher minimum. We are there to guide you through the process and you make your own selection. There are many things that you can see, historical performance. There are others you can look at the future, expectations, and make an informed decision. Not every investment decision is going to be a perfect one at the moment. However, outlook is important, context is important, the general trend is important. But the most fundamental thing that you can do is to invest.
Thank you very much, man. Senior Vice President at Barita Investments. He's saying there's no one size fits all. There's no silver bullet. However, they will tailor a portfolio specifically for you. Sit with a Barita advisor.
Thank you.
2025 is beginning to look exciting.
Thank you for having me. All right.
Great.
Today, we celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Armando Carr.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. After 20 years, they are still in the 20% that is successful. Don't see problem, rather, it's a solution. Give Armando and his team a big round of applause. Let us work towards another 20 years.
You're looking to take your business to the next step. Look no further than Next Step Digital Solutions. Our team of experts is here to help you grow your online presence and get noticed. We offer a wide range of services, including web design, social media marketing, branding, and SEO. Let us help you reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Visit trynextstep.com to learn more and contact us today to get started.